Bomedipi na ino ayete. Bomedipi na ino ayete. Metepe mambo, ete bomu, metepe mambo, ete bomu, ole metepe medipi mambo, ete bomu, ole metepe mambo, ete bomu, metepe mambo, ete bomu, ole metepe medipi mambo, ete bomu, ole bomedipi na ino ayete. Bomedipi na ino ayete. Oma prasanta tinete aboma prasanta.
The deforestation process in Alta Floresta, as in other areas in the Amazonian arc of deforestation, began in the 1970s with the implementation of the Amazon colonization project by the Brazilian military government. The first inhabitants were from the south of Brazil and established an economy based on agriculture. With the discovery of gold in the region in the 1980s, the economy of the state turned to mining. During the gold rush, Alta Floresta's population reached 100,000 people. However, as mines ran out, the inhabitants sought new opportunities. Farming then went on to dominate the landscape, and currently the soybean crop advances across the region. This sequence of satellite images taken annually between 1984 and 2012 clearly shows how the process of deforestation dramatically took hold around Alta Floresta. In this altered landscape, we developed a project to assess how birds responded to the changes. We selected 30 forest fragments within properties across the region. The project aims to evaluate the impact of deforestation on birds and thereby identify which species survived the isolation process in different forest fragments. Our research method is based on the data collected by sample surveys. Along tracks we set up nets of 250 metres, called mist nets, so thin that even we sometimes do not see them, nor the birds. The nets are left open during the day and closed at night. All captured birds are measured and receive an identification ring. With this we can understand the health of birds and the areas they inhabit. We also record bird vocalizations to register birds that do not fall into the mist nets. The preservation and recovery of the forest depends on an ongoing and collective effort. The participation of smallholders, farmers and inhabitants of rural areas of Alta Floresta is critical to the survival of local birds and more broadly to Amazon biodiversity.
Bomedipi na ino ayete. Bomedipi na ino ayete. Metepe mambo, ete bomu, metepe mambo, ete bomu, ole metepe medipi mambo, ete bomu, ole metepe mambo, ete bomu, metepe mambo, ete bomu, ole metepe medipi.